Okay, this question is for both of you. To my knowledge, I haven't seen anybody from our IIM alumni becoming a Guruji or an actor. What is your advice and your thoughts on this?
Maybe he has a manager from IIM, I don't know.
Could be, sir. Could be. I don't know. To my knowledge, I haven't seen anybody from our IIM alumnus becoming a Guruji or an actor. What is your advice and thoughts on this? Really? No mystics? No performers? No? What do most IIM alumnus become? You'll have to enlighten me. Sorry, what?
They become boring.
They become boring?
bankers.
I see jubilant faces, yaar. Jubilant.
So, I think our education system, not just at IIM, right from kindergarten, is life-taking process.
Guruji, why don't you open a school? I would love to send my kids there.
You must come and see my school, how we're running our school.
Top.
Children want to come there before the vacations are over.
Beautiful.
But one school is not good enough. See, we have made education system into an industrial process of turning out certain kind of products. This is a crime against humanity, if you ask me. Right from my childhood, I never understood why I should go to school. So every day when I'm either cycling to school or walking to school, these questions came up to me, and most of the time I did not reach the school because existential questions engaged me. So, when they missed me for too long, you know what happens. All that drama happened, then again I went back for some time and like that.
I love that story, sir, sitting and staring, I love that story.
So, about why education does not produce either mystics or even actors for that matter, because both of them need some versatility, not a set straitjacket. In a straitjacket, nobody ever became a mystic. In a straitjacket, maybe in India, certain type of actors you can become. You can do the same thing in every movie and still you're an actor. No, it's happening.
Agreed, yeah, agreed. Yeah. Same movie, same thing every time.
I saw only one of yours, so I'm not making judgment on
Sir,
you.
मैं तो versatility मतलब.
So, if you have a straitjacket, you cannot act, you definitely cannot access other dimensions of life. So this happened to me about maybe 10, 11 years ago. This school where I studied almost 45 years ago, the trustees of this school came to invite me for their 125th anniversary. I said, see, please, why me? I was not just a not good student, I was not even a student.
I can tell you.
So…
Shall I tell you what they said? No, no, Sadhguru, you are the only mystic, you have to come.
He's acting.
Homework, sir.
So now that you know the story, we can leave that.
Actually, IIM alumni may not be actors yet, but I don't know if you're aware, Chetan Bhagat, who's an IIM alumnus, wrote this book based on which Three Idiots was made, and it was incidentally shot at the IIMB campus. So, obliquely we are connected to the world of films as well.
No, definitely there are individuals, but I'm saying the general system, not just IIM, right from early school, it is conditioning the mind to such a limited way of looking at life. You're only cultivating intellect. You will see all those people who are using their intellect and thinking they're doing great, all of them will become irrelevant in the next 10 to 15 years' time. Because Everything that you can do by gathering data, analyzing and bullshitting everybody in the world is not going to work. A simple gadget, your phone will do it. Already the Google lady looks much smarter than you, than your professor, isn't it? I just did not understand what were they trying to do in that school. I just couldn't figure, what is it they're trying to do? Just reading a damn book to me? They just have to teach me how to read. It just goes on for 12, 15, 20 years, the same thing. See, there are studies which clearly show 20 years of formal education, 70% of your intelligence is irrevocably destroyed. That means you come out as a knowledgeable idiot. You'll have to undo it. Then people talk about unlearning. Why? It's simply unnecessary. There are other ways to do education. All you have to do for a human being is to develop their body and their brain to the fullest possible extent. Rest they will do. But none of the schools are focused on this. They're only interested in how to cram something in that you don't like so that you can puke on the examination day. So if you change the system, well, places of learning definitely must create mystics and actors also, why not?
Yeah.
One of our speakers yesterday, Mr. Saul Singer, who's sitting here, actually spoke about this beautiful model of education in the future, which talked about building resilience and building the other qualities which are not taught today in schools. Okay, Ranveer, we have this question. I think you can take a look at it. I'm not quite sure whether you want me to ask you this question or we'll pass and move on to the next question.
I think we should pass.
Okay, can we have the next question, please?